Hello, class 7th. Today we are going to start our next chapter. The chapter name is fraction. Chapter 2, fraction. So today we are going to start the chapter 2, that is fraction. So first of all, what we have to study, what is a fraction? Any number which can be expressed in the form of a by b, where a and b are natural numbers then it is called a fraction. So basically any number which can be expressed in the form of a by b, where a and b are natural numbers, then it is called a fraction. For example, 3/4, 2/5, any of that can be expressed in the form of a by b, where a is called numerator and b is called denominator. So here a and b are called numerator and denominator. So upper portion a equal to 3 is numerator and b equal to 4 is denominator. So that's how we can represent a number in the form of fraction. Basically fraction is a part of a whole. Basically किसी भी पूरी चीज़ का, होल चीज़ का जो हाफ कुछ पोर्शन होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, फ्रैक्शन. फॉर एग्जांपल हमने कोई घर में केक बनाया, उस केक के हमने इक्वल पोर्शंस कर दिए, 1 2 3 4 5. ये केक था जिस केक के मैंने 5 पार्ट कर दिए और उस पार्ट में से मैंने एक पार्ट को रिमूव कर दिया, यानी एक पार्ट मैंने रिमूव कर दिया. सो दैट पार्ट इज 1/5 of the total, yani the one part I have removed and total parts are 5. So this part can be represented in the form of fraction like 1/5. So that's how you can represent different things in the form of fractions. Let's study types of fraction. First one is decimal fraction. So if I said decimal fraction, so if any fraction has 10, 100, 1000 or any such number as a denominator, then it is called decimal fraction. So basically any number, any fraction which has 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 or any that kind of number in a denominator, then it is called a decimal fraction. For example, 2/10, 3/100, any of such number can be expressed in the form of decimal fraction. Vulgar fraction. if denominator contains any whole number as a denominator, then it is called vulgar fraction. Example: 3 by 7, 2 by 99, any such number can be represented as a vulgar fraction. Now moving on, third type is proper and improper fraction. So proper fraction, what is a proper fraction? The fraction whose numerator is smaller than denominator is called proper fraction. Example: 2 by 3, 50 by 199. Here numerator is always less than the denominator, then it is called proper fraction. Fourth one is improper fraction, whose denominator is smaller than the numerator. If in any fraction denominator is smaller than the numerator, then it is called improper fraction. Example: 99 by 5, 10 by 7. These are called improper fraction. Fifth is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, any fraction which contain a natural number and a proper fraction can be expressed as mixed fraction. Any number which contain a complete number as well as a proper fraction, that is a natural number, that is a proper fraction, it is called a mixed fraction. So that's how you can write mixed fraction. But we can convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. How we can do that? For example, 1 by 1 by 3. So simply multiply natural number with denominator. So 3 ones are 3 and add numerator of the proper fraction to the amount. Yani 3 plus 1 divided by 3. So 3 plus 1 becomes 4 by 3. Let's take one more example. 2 by 3, 9. So 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 3 divided by 9, yani 21 by 9. That's how you can represent a mixed fraction into improper fraction. After the mixed fraction, also you can also study one more type here also, reducible fraction. What is reducible fraction? I can reduce this number. How can I reduce this number? If the numerator and denominator is going to be divided by same number, so we can simply divide them. For example, 21 comes into the table of 3 and 9 also come into the table of 3. So simply we can do 21 divided by 3, 9 divided by 3. So it will become 7 by 3. And then their SCF becomes 1. So it is going to convert it into reducible fraction. That's how you can write reducible fractions. Also the improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction, and mixed fraction can be converted into improper fraction. Let's move on. Next type, that is equivalent fraction. What is equivalent fraction? So basically equivalent fraction, if denominator and numerator both are multiplied by a common natural number, then they form equivalent fraction. For example, there is a fraction 2 by 3. We have to make their equivalent fraction. What we can do, 2 by 3 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. So 4 by 6, that is first equivalent fraction of that. Simply 2 by 3 into 3 by 3, and is 6 by 9. That's how we can find different equivalent fractions. So that's how you can do the equivalent fraction. Then we can go for the comparing fractions. Comparing fraction means basically which is greater and which is smaller. So simply we can compare fractions by making their LCM, basically making their denominator equal. For example, we have given our numerator 2 by 5 and 3 by 5. So if that kind of fraction is given where denominators are same, basically whose denominator is same, are also said to be like fraction. So if there is a number 2 by 5 and 3 by 5 and we have to put a sign smaller or greater than, then if the denominators are same, the numerator whose numerator is greater becomes the greater number. So here denominator is 5, numerator is 2 and 3, so that number is greater because his numerator is higher. Similarly 1 by 3 and 2 by 3, because here numerator 2 is greater. So that's how you can compare fraction. But if there is a fraction whose denominator is not same, for example 2 by 3, 3 by 5, then we need to first, what we have to do, we have to make the denominator same. So simply multiply this number by 5 and multiply this number by 3, because this number's denominator is 3. So multiply this number by this denominator and this number by that denominator. So 10 by 15 and 9 by 15. Now denominators are same, so simply 10 is greater, so 10 by 15 is greater than 9 by 15. So basically 2 by 3 is greater than 3 by 5. That's how you can compare the fraction. So that's how you can study your fraction topic. So I am finishing this video. Now you can do your first exercise, and I am sending some question related to this. Signing off.